In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend an image using Canva, and will guide you through this process in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to add a creative twist to your documents or just want to play around with visuals, bending images can add a unique flair to your designs. First, we need to start by heading over to canva.com. Don't forget to sign in using your credentials. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the upper right corner of the screen. Canva makes it super straightforward by offering several login options. You can use Google, Facebook, or simply log in with your email address, whatever feels most comfortable and convenient for you. Once you've got yourself logged in, direct your attention to the 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. When you click on these lines, a menu will reveal itself, offering several options, one of which is to create a design. Go ahead and click on that. The next step is all about choosing the template or style you desire. Canva boasts a wide array of templates to suit just about any project you can think of. Whether you're crafting a social media post, a presentation, or something entirely different, there's bound to be something that fits the bill. After you've settled on a template, navigate to the left sidebar and locate the Elements tab. This section is where the magic begins, as it's filled with numerous elements you can incorporate into your design. In the search bar, type in frames, or if you prefer, you can scroll down and find the frames section manually. Browsing through the available frames, you'll notice a variety of options, each with different outlines and curvatures. Pick the frame that best matches the curve you're aiming to create with your image. After choosing a frame, it's time to bring in your image. Simply drag your image over to the frame you've selected. When your image is placed within the frame, you might notice it doesn't fit perfectly right off the bat. No worries, this is quite common, and the next step involves adjusting the image. You'll need to modify the image's position and size within the frame until it meets your design aspirations. A bit of repositioning or resizing may be necessary to achieve that ideal curve you have in mind. And that's all there is to bending an image in Canva. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to incorporate this technique into your designs, providing them a professional and creative edge. Go ahead and experiment with different frames and pictures to see just how versatile and fun your designs can become. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.